Hey Legend fans, Jake here, and today I'm super excited to do an on-water walkthrough of the Legend LE21 CRL. Let's go check it out. This 21 CRL is packed with value. Let's start off with that eye-catching blue and black exterior. It pulls really nicely with this gray and blue two-tone interior. The blue stitching really pops out, pulling that whole look of the CRL together. We can't forget about that soft step Duraweave flooring running from bow to stern throughout this pontoon. It is very, very comfortable, and even better, it's easy to clean. Now, starting off at the front here, we have our two forward-facing loungers. Again, very, very comfortable, soft, and nice contrast with that blue stitching. Underneath both those loungers, full storage compartments, pop-up storage, tuck away all your gear for the day. Can't go wrong with too much storage on a boat. It's a great thing. Underneath are just those two of our 4 Fusion sound speakers throughout the boat. And then accompanying those right in the center here is your pop-up table with post. The table base is right in the center here. Great if you want to catch a snack, have a drink, anything like that. And if you're not using it, just tuck it away in one of the compartments. And just behind this front port side lounger, we have our full pop-up change room. Great spot if you want to get into some dry clothes and just get back to something a little bit more comfortable for the rest of the day. Moving to the helm of this 21 CRL, I want to start off with this very comfortable contoured captain's chair. It's actually equipped with that full 360 swivel, and then we additionally have that seat slider. So really making it perfect and comfortable for whoever is driving this boat. Pairing really nicely, talking about comfort, we have that full tilt steering helm built right into it. Again, lots of customization. Whoever's driving this, you'll feel comfortable running this boat. We have easy access to our control box over here on the right, and then I'll kind of work my way around the dash here. So on the right hand side, our switches, so we have our stereo, our navigation and anchor light, and then our horn. Just above that, we have our one of 2 gauges built right in here. The one on the right here is going to show us fuel and trim, and then the one on the left is actually a Mercury SmartCraft gauge. So we're going to get a little extra engine data, and that has that RPM built right into it. So great feature. Again, value on this thing. We left a space in the middle here if you did want to add a GPS or fish finder, anything right there. So giving you tons of customization on this. And then just below that, we can't forget about our Fusion stereo. Again, 4 speakers throughout this boat, full Bluetooth stereo, great sound throughout this. Let's check out the back. Moving to the back here of this CRL, I just want to point out one of my personal favorites on this boat is that dual captain's chair layout. It's great layout. If there's just 2 out on the boat, again, it's equipped with that full 360 swivel and slider, really finding a comfortable spot if you wanted to face whoever is captaining the boat. It's nice, easy conversation. You're not too far away. So good layout on that thing. Now, let's talk about CRL. CRL is convertible rear lounge, and check this thing out. There's 3 different variations of this one. Right now we have our forward facing, pop up the middle. Now we have our full rear facing lounger. And now this is my favorite setup of it. It goes all the way in like this, and I like to call it the bed. You have a full area you can enjoy in the back here, take a nap, anything like that. Again, full storage throughout that entire area with a full dedicated storage compartment for that starting battery off the port rear side here. Now, we can't forget about the full pop-up Bimini top that comes standard on the LE series. Take advantage of that guy and enjoy your nap here on the bed. We're just moving off to the back here behind the gate. We have a little sidewall compartment here with that personal item shelf right on top, accompanied by that dual cup holders. And then moving around the back here, tons of room getting in and out of the boat. If you plan on going for a swim, jumping in, then you can utilize that full fold down swim ladder just off the starboard side. Makes it very easy to get back in. Thanks for checking out the 21 CRL. If you want more information about this boat, make sure to contact your local Legend dealer, or you can check us out at legendboats.com to explore this boat and the entire LE lineup. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the water.